Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. At the end of this video, you all gonna know how to verify your Mac if it is brand new or if it is refurbished. So first of all, let us know the difference between a new laptop and a refurbished laptop. So as you all know, a new laptop is a brand new one, whereas refurbished laptops are those products that were unpacked but never purchased, or they were used by someone, or the laptops that were returned to the manufacturer as defective and are now being sold. So, we all should know how to check whether a laptop is new or refurbished before spending bucks on any MacBook. To check whether it's a brand new MacBook or a refurbished MacBook, go to Google and type MacBook serial check on the search bar. Click on the first link. You will have to enter the MacBook serial number, which you can find on the box of your MacBook. And the other way to know MacBook serial number is just click on this Apple icon and go to About This Mac. And here you will find the MacBook serial number. Now just type the serial number. And here this code. Okay. And click on submit. Here you will see your MacBook's model and your purchase date of the MacBook and the serial number. If the serial number here on the website, on the box of your MacBook, and here all these three serial numbers are same, this means it's a new MacBook. Okay, here you will find some additional details like coverage for your MacBook Air, like it is valid for 1 year from the date of purchase of the MacBook. Okay, now there is a part number which you can find on the box of your MacBook. The last digits, if the last digits of your MacBook part number is HN/A, this means that this MacBook is manufactured in India. Now the other way to check whether it's a new MacBook or refurbished, just go to this Apple icon, About This Mac, More Info. Now go to System Report, and here you will see, go to Power, and under Battery Information you will see this cycle count. If it is, like in this case it is 19, this means that it is not a brand new MacBook. In case of a brand new MacBook, it is generally 0, 1 or 2 cycle counts. Okay, so these are the ways you can check if it is a new MacBook or refurbished MacBook. If you like this video, give it a like, comment on it and share it to your friends, and subscribe my channel for more such amazing content.